Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. We are going to solve the function which says f of 4 comma y is equals to 8. What is the value of y? Since the 4 is given and the f of x comma y is given as the function x squared plus 3xy plus 2y squared, then we are going to straightforward. Since the y is given, we are going to substitute the value of x here as 4 direct. Therefore, we have, and don't forget the total is equals to 48. We have 48 is equals to 4x power 2 plus 3 multiplied by x is 4, y plus 2, y squared. Then we have 48 is equals to 4 square here is 16 plus 3 times 4 here is 12y plus 2y squared. Let's divide through by 2 since all is even. Let's divide through by 2. Then by 2, 48 by 2 here is 24. This is 16 divided by 2. This is 8 plus 12 divided by 2. This is 6. Y plus 2 cancel 2, remain y squared. Let's take everything to the right hand side. Here we have 0 is equals to, collecting the like term, here we have y squared plus 6y plus 8 minus 24. This is 0 is equals to y squared plus 6y. We have 8 minus 24. This is equals to 16. We have minus 16. We resolve into quadratic equation. Find two numbers, if we multiply we get 16. 16, the two numbers we get 16. We have 8 times 2. We have 8 and 2. 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. Therefore, we can say we have y is either y plus 8 or y minus 2. That will be our solution. Then let's make y, that is, it is either y is equals to minus 8 or y is equals to 2. Therefore, the value of y is 2 if x is 4. Then let's solve the next question. Says, what is the domain of the function f of x all over g of x? Let's find the domain of this function by saying we have f all over g is equals to 7x minus 3 all over x squared plus 2 minus 15. That is, this is equals to, and remember that this quadratic equation is not equals to 0. That is x squared minus 2 plus 2 minus 15 is not equals to 0. Therefore, we say the two value of 15 to get minus 15, we have 5 times 3, 5 minus 2. Then we can say it is either x plus 5 or x minus 2. Then this will be 7x minus 3 all over x plus 5 or x minus 2 is not equals to 0. That is x plus 5 is not equals to 0. Also, x plus 2 is not equals to 0. X minus 2 is not equals to 0. Also, x is not equals to 5. Or x is not equals to 2 minus 5. Then, for us to find the domain of the function, we can say the domain of the function is equals to minus infinity, from minus infinity to minus 5 is the union of, this is the union of minus 5 comma 3 is the union of 3 comma infinity. That's the answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.